The Union Budget is an annual financial statement that plays a crucial role in shaping the economic landscape of the country. It is presented by the Finance Minister of India in Parliament, where it is scrutinized and debated by lawmakers. The budget outlines the government's estimated revenues and expenditures for the upcoming financial year, providing a detailed account of how resources will be allocated. This comprehensive document serves as a roadmap for the country's economic direction, detailing priorities and strategies for growth and development. It highlights the sectors that will receive focus and investment. The Union Budget 2024, presented against the backdrop of a dynamic global landscape, holds immense significance for India's economic trajectory. It reflects the government's response to global economic trends and domestic challenges. The budget's themes often reflect the government's vision for the nation, encompassing areas such as infrastructure development, healthcare, education, and social welfare. They address key challenges and opportunities, aiming to foster a balanced and inclusive growth environment. Analyzing the budget helps us understand its potential impact on various sectors, from agriculture and industry to services and technology. It also allows us to assess its implications for different segments of society, ensuring that the benefits of economic growth are widely shared and inclusive.
The Union Budget 2024 introduces several key highlights and policy changes. These are designed to stimulate economic growth and address societal needs. One of the most significant announcements is a substantial increase in infrastructure spending. This includes allocations for roads, railways, and digital connectivity. Furthermore, the budget emphasizes promoting manufacturing and innovation. It does this through tax incentives and schemes to support startups. Additionally, there's a focus on strengthening the rural economy and enhancing agricultural infrastructure.
Agriculture, being the backbone of the Indian economy, receives considerable attention in the Union Budget 2024. The budget allocates significant funds towards enhancing agricultural infrastructure. This includes investments in irrigation, storage facilities, and cold chain logistics. Moreover, the government announces initiatives to promote sustainable farming practices. These include organic farming and the use of technology in agriculture. These measures aim to increase farmers' income and enhance agricultural productivity.
Section 4. Healthcare and Education, Investing in Human Capital. This section delves into the critical areas of healthcare and education, which are pivotal for the nation's growth and development. Recognizing the importance of human capital development, the Union Budget 2024 emphasizes healthcare and education. These sectors are the backbone of a thriving society, ensuring the well-being and future readiness of its citizens. The budget proposes a substantial increase in healthcare spending. This increase is aimed at addressing the gaps in the current healthcare system and ensuring that every citizen has access to essential medical services. This aims to strengthen primary healthcare infrastructure and improve access to quality healthcare services. By enhancing these services, the government hopes to reduce the burden of diseases and improve overall public health. In the education sector, the budget focuses on improving the quality of education and promoting skill development. Quality education is the foundation of a skilled workforce, which is essential for economic growth and innovation. It allocates funds for teacher training, digital learning initiatives, and vocational training programs. These initiatives are designed to equip students with the necessary skills and knowledge to thrive in a rapidly changing world, ensuring they are prepared for future challenges and opportunities.
Section 5. Implications for businesses and the common man. The Union Budget 2024 has significant implications for businesses and the common man. The government's push for infrastructure development is expected to create new opportunities for businesses. It will also generate employment opportunities. For the common man, the budget offers some relief through tax benefits and social security schemes. However, the rising inflation and the potential impact of global economic uncertainties remain concerns.
Section 6. Long-term effects on the Indian economy. The long-term effects of the Union Budget 2024 on the Indian economy are multifaceted and complex, touching various sectors and demographics. The government's focus on infrastructure development, if implemented effectively, has the potential to significantly boost economic growth by improving connectivity and reducing logistical costs. This, in turn, can lead to substantial job creation across multiple industries and improved living standards for millions of citizens. Furthermore, the emphasis on healthcare and education can result in a healthier and more skilled workforce, which is essential for sustaining long-term economic growth and competitiveness. However, the success of these initiatives depends on efficient implementation and effective governance. Without proper oversight and accountability, the intended benefits may not fully materialize, potentially leading to wasted resources and missed opportunities. Additionally, the focus on rural development and renewable energy projects can help bridge the urban-rural divide and promote sustainable growth, ensuring that the benefits of economic progress are more evenly distributed across the country.
Section 7. Future Outlook. Navigating the Road Ahead, the Union Budget. 2024 sets the stage for India's economic journey in the coming year. While the budget presents a roadmap for growth, several challenges and uncertainties lie ahead. The global economic slowdown, geopolitical tensions, and climate change pose risks to the Indian economy. Navigating these challenges will require prudent economic management, policy continuity, and a focus on sustainable and inclusive growth.